Hi guys, this is the Legit Masterclass, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make payments online with Flutterwave. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how you can make payments online with Flutterwave. But before we go into that, please, if this is your first time of visiting the channel, kindly support us, help us by hitting the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So thank you. Let's go back to my screen so that I will show you what I have for you. I'm going to show you guys how to make online payments through Flutterwave. So I want to make payments on this page. As you can see, I want to make payment for this training. So, and the payment method used on this page is Flutterwave. So click on pay 1K. It will take you to another page where you put your first name, last name on the account you are going to use for this transaction, the account number you are going to use, the bank name that you are going to use for this transaction. Then you put your active email and your phone contact, your WhatsApp contact, so that after making this payment, the person you are paying to, that person you are paying to can be able to contact you through this either email address or WhatsApp number. So I'm going to input my details here. So I'm done putting my details. So after making this payment now, the person I'm paying to will be able to contact me through either my WhatsApp number or my email address. So I proceed to pay. Okay, here there are different method of transfer. This one is for you to pay with your card details. Understand? This method is for card details. If you want to pay with your card, so you put your card number, the valid tail, and the CVV, which is that 3-digit number at the back of your card. But now I don't want to pay with my card. I want to use another option. So what I will do is I will click here. Other method of payment from this place. So I want to pay with transfer. So I choose pay with bank transfer. And it has generated the account details for me to pay. As you can see, here is the account number, here is the bank, and here is the beneficiary name. So all I will have to do is to copy this account number and then go to my bank app. So I'm done putting the details. Here, as you can see, here is the account number, here is the bank, that is Wemalat, and here is the beneficiary's name. So I proceed, I continue. So you can see I'm done. I'm about to make this transfer. So I want you to know that you are not paying only 1,000 naira for this transaction. You are not only paying the 1,000 naira, you need to add 14 naira. That is 1,014 naira. That 14 naira is Flutterwave charge, what they are charging you for this transaction. If you don't put this 14 naira, this transaction will not be successful. You are going to refund this money back into your account. So you need to put it before transferring the money. So I proceed making the payment. Okay, this transaction is successful. Let's go back to that page. Then you come back. That is the 14 naira I told you should be charged for Flutterwave transaction. So you scroll down and click here. I have made this transfer. Click on that. I have made this transfer. Click on it and you wait for it to load. So after loading, it will confirm it's trying to confirm your transfer now. So after it has confirmed it now generates a receipt for you. Flutterwave will now generate a receipt for this transaction for you to show that the transaction is successful. So let's wait for it. Now it have directed me to where I will join the master class. Once the thing is finished counting, it now directs me